everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot deck review. Today I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this deck to come out for a while and I finally got my hands on it like a day late, but that's what we get for Amazon, right? So I pre-ordered this on Amazon and it is the Antique Anatomy Tarot. I'm so excited. Deck and Guidebook for the Modern Reader by Claire Goodchild. So this really called to me. I'm really hoping that it exceeds or at least meets my expectations because of what it claims to be about as far as the art goes. It says, oddities and curiosities await you in the Antique Anatomy Tarot. Enliven your readings with this exquisite deck of tarot cards which feature vintage and anatomical illustrations and delicate botanical drawings. The accompanied guidebook offers insight for every card and explores the many ways you can use the deck for self-discovery and personal growth. A wildly creative interpretation of the practice, this tarot is an indispensable tool for the contemporary reader. So, 80-page guidebook with full color photography and the 78 illustrated tarot cards. So, this just came out. And this is retails for $29.99. Abrams Notary.com, designed by Diane Shaw, printed in China. I don't know what else you need from the back of the deck, but it is big. So I'm assuming that the guidebook inside is a good size as well. Let's open it up. Look at me not struggle. Hey. All right. It is a hinge. It is like even foiled. Ooh. I'm excited. Ooh. It's all in your hands. How cute. Okay. So yeah, this is a nice size guidebook. Okay. Oh, first of all, can we just talk about the packaging? Look at that. Now that is some thought inside of it. It's not, you know, just bland. I really like this a lot. Oh my goodness. Okay. Already loving it. All right. So let's take the cards out and then you have the little symbols inside. There's no ribbon, but it's really simple to get the cards out. Okay, the cards feel a little bit flimsy. Let's take a look at the guidebook real fast before we get into the cards, just to see if there's anything we need to know that's different. It does go through the, this is beautiful. Introduction, history, major, minor, let's see, numerology. Wow, there's a lot of information, guys. Astrology. Look at this. Okay. Already I am intrigued. And there's not a lot of light. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Not a lot of light. But we're doing this anyway. Elements, color. Oh my gosh. Ways of using caring for your deck, and we have spreads. So 1 card, 3 card, moon cycle, Celtic cross, and then it goes in depth with what the cards mean. OMG, I am loving. At least this is beautiful. This is like a book you'd pay separately for. Okay, suit of elixirs. I'm assuming this is cups. Yes, this is cups. And then we have rods being the wands. Then we have coins being the pentacles and blades being the swords. Okay, enough about that. Let's get into the nitty gritty. The cards. Okay, there we go. Fool. Give myself some room. Oh, look at the back. Super basic, but like it packs a punch. Now these are, I'm a little disappointed. They are a little like pretty flimsy. There's not much weight to them. They're really light. Okay. So the Magician, The High Priestess. I love the art though. I don't know. I'm going to have to see how it shuffles because it does feel pretty flimsy. But the art is absolutely amazing. And I love how it says figure down there for the number. This is like reading a biology book, you know, an old school book for science class. Oh my gosh, I love. Okay, I love these two cards because it's the back of the skull and the front of the skull for the moon and the sun. Very cool. Okay, so now we're getting into cups. So there's not a lot of a scene going on, but I feel like with the different labels, maybe you guys can interpret that way. I'd have to take more of a look at them. Yeah, this is this. Yeah, I think it would be okay because that's what, 8, 7, 5, 6, 8. That's the 8 of cups. So yeah, letting go. This is the 7 of cups. So this is choices. And then 6 of cups. We have, let's see. Yeah, I think you can definitely do some interpreting with the labels. That's kind of cool. Joy, love. Yeah. Very cool. Page, and I like how it's a younger skeleton. Beauty for queen. Oh, cute. Okay, so we have rods. These are beautiful. And the different kind of rods going on there. So I'm just going pretty fast. So this way you can just get a feel for it. Because part of owning your own deck is really taking a look at it yourself, like really deeply. Okay, now we're in coins. Very interesting. I don't have too much to say as far as the, you know, art goes or anything. I don't really have anything negative, I should say, but I'm not really loving the feel of the cards as far as like their flimsiness goes. Like, I feel like we're paying for the art and we're paying for the thorough book. So do I think that these cards would hold up? Probably not. Let's just see how they shuffle because I might change my mind. They're not bad for shuffling at all. They're really good. They're just really light. I just feel I'm rougher on my cards. So, I mean, I take that into account when I buy a deck. I really feel like if I shuffle them this way, I'm going to destroy them. But let's see. I mean, no, they're holding up. But I'm wondering if you can just see how like flexible they are, because I mean, look at that. That's a lot of bend. They don't really snap back too quick. I mean, okay, so there's many types of people who read tarot, right? We all have our preferences. I don't know. This doesn't bother me that much, but for the price tag, it's concerning. But I understand where our money is going. It's beautifully packaged. It's a beautifully thorough book. It's full color. The pictures are gorgeous. My only complaint is I feel like the cards are a little bit flimsy, and the only reason, I say that is because I'm just rough on my cards. You guys might like it. Let me know what you think. Do you like cards that are a little bit flimsy and light? Do you like cards that are really thick? I'm like that one in the middle. I could go either way, really. I just worry about me just destroying the cards. But to be fair, I use my decks a lot. So, I understand that, if I love a deck and I use that constantly, I'm definitely going to be replacing it at some point. So, I mean, this is not a deal breaker for me at all. It could be for some of you. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Do you like this kind of style, this artwork? I really do. I think it leaves a lot to the imagination. It might be a little bit harder for beginners just because there's not a lot going on, but I feel like you can get the energy and the basic, principles from it. But again, you have a really thorough book with a lot of information as a person, as a situation, keywords. I mean, that's going to help tremendously. Plus, you have all of the other information for, with spreads and the ways of using it. I mean, it's very thorough. Like, this is a book that I would buy completely separate to, get more information. So the fact that this comes with the cards, I'm not mad at the price. I'm not mad at it at all. I love the art. I love the theme of it. I love that it comes in a really nice hinged box. The only thing it's missing for me is a ribbon, but you know what? They thought that out too with how to put the cards in with these little gaps here. That is pretty dang cool. So let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something up your alley. If you are a thick card person or a thin card person, do you think this is worth the price? Do you think that you would purchase it? Also, if there are any decks, Oracle or Tarot, don't mind my dogs, that you are wanting me to review, let me know down in the comments as well, because I will try to get my hands on them if I have not already reviewed them. So let me know in the comments. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it or you liked the deck. So thumbs up, sorry, like or thumbs up, same thing. And then if you've not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so, because I do tarot and oracle reviews. I do pick a card readings, and I also do crafting videos as well. So there's a lot going on my channel. If any of those things are of interest to you, please join us and subscribe. And if you have not yet rung that notification bell, go ahead and do that as well, since I do not have an upload schedule. And this way you'll never miss a video from me. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.